Hey guys, it's Jay Powsey here, and I'm here to talk to you today about IBO Toolbox and how this powerful system works to allow you to build your Four Corners business or any business. I mean, really, you want to focus on your Four Corners business because this is what's going to produce the powerful income and and all of that by marketing through our $18 lifestyle system. What you're going to notice here is that this is the main site, ibotoolbox.com. And you can see right now that today there's been a total of 184,958 visitors. And if we refresh that page, that's going to climb dramatically. Just to give an idea, I refreshed that about maybe 10 minutes ago, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. So in 20 minutes time, it's gone up to 191,573 visitors, and it's only 145. The last time I checked that was about 121, I believe, or 124. So it's gone up dramatically. So there's a lot of traffic that's coming to this site, and it's going to help you for a lot of reasons because this is an advertising system. This is a free system, and it's a system that is loaded with marketers, and everybody in here is a marketer basically. It's completely different from Facebook because Facebook is not just marketers, it's marketers and kids and teens and adults that aren't even into businesses and all of that stuff. But what you have here is you have an actual system that is designed for marketers and is designed to get you traffic to your opportunities. It's designed to get people to come in and look at your whatever you're marketing in IBO and all of that stuff. So this is a really powerful system. Almost everything that you do here gets indexed, and I'm going to give you an idea of how this all works. It's just going to be a brief overview of how to get started. In the next video, we're going to actually go through a little bit more. And then you're on your own to figure it out, because this is a big system. But once you figure out how to use it, I just got into it the other day, and it's going to benefit me dramatically because I know that this is something that I'm definitely going to use. So you're going to see all of these people. You're going to see members here, and then you'll see the number of stars that they've received, and it's based on completing certain tasks. And then there'll be a contributor badge, and the contributor badge has to do with whether they've added content or they've bought credits or they've bought the Club IBO subscription and stuff like that. You're contributing to the system, so you're considered an IBO Toolbox contributor. So just to give you an idea of how IBO Toolbox works, you're going to come in here, and this is your dashboard, and you basically, here's your wall. You can promote whatever you want in here. You can say whatever you want. You can do quotes, or if you want to market an opportunity and you want to add a link in there, you can do so. This is the perfect place to market your $18 lifestyle system so that you can build leads and sales through the system, and also earn additional streams of income if you're an upgraded member through our system. So it's absolutely critical to get started with this and start using it because it is completely free. You don't have to pay anything for this system, but you are going to get credits for everyday tasks that you do by liking on things, by commenting, by creating press releases, by referring people and stuff like that. So you're gonna get credits, plus you can buy the credits, and it's really cool. So, but just to give you an idea of what happens when you enter your information, then you add a link in here, and then you submit the wall post. Once that link shows up, just to give you an idea, this right here, this is considered a backlink, but it's going to actually be for, let's see if we can see anybody else that's just marketing. Here we go, right here. This is a person's actual link. This click here link, whoop, and we just went down. How do we do that? Where did she go? Right here. This is her actual link that she is marketing for her business, and because she's using a OW.ly, she's not really, I mean, she's using it as either a tracker or just a short URL. But if she was using her actual website address or affiliate link or whatever, then that would be considered a backlink that she would be getting. It's technically a backlink now, but the problem is it's not, getting a tracking link index. It doesn't really help the actual domain itself if you don't own the domain, or if you want your affiliate link to be indexed through the search engines and stuff like that. So, but that is cool because, whatever you market in here, and every time you plug in a link in here, you're creating a backlink because it's going into your system, and it's going into your wall, and it never leaves. It's always there. Everything in this site gets indexed. Everything. Press releases, comments, all that stuff. If you put links anywhere, they're all getting indexed. So that's how the wall works, and people will comment if they like your posts and stuff. It's kind of like Facebook, You have the wall where you add content in, and if you add good content, or if you have an opportunity that people like, then they will comment. You'll see people that will be commenting, like you see here. This person just rated and commented on this person's press release, and because the guy did this, he also earned credits for doing so. You actually earn double credits for being a Club IBO member, so we'll talk more about that in the next video. I'm not going to really go into that, but this video is just to get you started, just to show you how to get your profile set up and everything. It's not difficult, but there is a lot of information in this. So what you need to make sure that you do is, I would recommend getting yourself an IBO Tube account. It's exactly like YouTube, except obviously it's for IBO members. And you would click here to get your IBO Tube account. And I've seen a lot of people that are actually producing a lot of views. Like I said, I just got started in this, and I have not really done anything with it. But as you can see, I have 2 stars here, and if you're producing all of these different types of activities, then you're going to start bumping up, and you're going to start earning stars very quickly. So there's also a gig store, which is exactly like Fiverr. You can click here to get that as well. I don't think I really need that, but as of right now, I don't need to worry about that. And then you can add in businesses. There's no limit to the amount of businesses that you can add in here. Whatever you add in here will show up on your business page. And then you can become an IBO contributor by actually purchasing the Club IBO package. And I'll talk more about that in the video. I actually have the subscription. You earn 4,000 credits every Monday per week. So it's basically you get 4,000 credits per week, which equates to 16,000 credits per month, or 20,000 credits if there's an additional week in that month. So it's 4,000 credits every Monday. You basically plug in a code, a redemption code for Club IBO members, and you plug it in and you get your credits. And then as you can see up top, I had 4,750 credits, and now I have 5,000, and I've also had 5,000 impressions because I converted 1,000 credits into impressions. And I'm going to talk more about that in the next video as well. That has to do with marketing your opportunities and stuff like that. The credits that you receive as a Club IBO member, you receive 25 credits for logging in, but as a Club IBO member, you actually receive double credits. So I got 50 credits for logging in, so it brought my balance. If I didn't convert those 1,000, it brought them up to 50 more. So I would have had 4,800 credits. But now I have 5,000 impressions because I converted 1,000 credits to impressions, and that's a 1-to-5 ratio. So 1,000 credits gives you 5,000 impressions. So when you come down here, you want to make sure that you add your name, you want to make sure that you add your picture, your business information, and this is right here is, I just put a basic placeholder at this moment. I'm going to add a lot more to this because I just started this, but I have other things that I'm in the middle of working on, so I can't really focus all my attention on building this page the way it needs to be built. because this is a a way that you can really connect with people and bring people into your opportunities that you're marketing. And you definitely want to use this to build your Four Corners business. So you can add your social networks. You can add links that actually show up on your profile page. I'm going to show you where all this stuff goes and everything. You can also, if you have YouTube videos already set up and you have a YouTube account, you can use the basically import your YouTube videos into your profile page through this system. And then you can also monetize your IBO page as well, your profile page. Whenever somebody comes to your profile, you're going to have a 160 by 600 ad, basically like a skyscraper ad, that's going to be on the bottom left-hand corner of this of your page. And if people click on that, if you are in Google AdSense, then you earn money every single time somebody clicks on that. But you have to set up your ad. And to set up your ad, when you create your ad and you set up your ad units and all of that, you're going to also have to understand that the code that you get is going to be a little bit different, and they won't allow that code. So what I did was I just took this. They give you a sample code right here, and I just copied that and I pasted it in here. And then all I did was I changed the data slot, which is what they give you in the actual AdSense code. They give you the data slot and also your publisher code, which is right here. So all you need to do is just get those two numbers, and all the rest stays the same. Because when I was plugging in the other one, the other code was telling me that my ad size was incorrect. Even though I had selected a 160 by 600, it was saying that my ad code was incorrect. So I just took this and I just pasted the data that was in here that I needed to, and then I made sure I ticked all these boxes, and then I saved it, and then boom, and then my code was implemented. So that's pretty much how you set up your profile. And just to give you an idea of what you're seeing today, so right now I've received a total of 192 people this month, and on your profile it actually tells you the total amount of people that you've that have viewed your page. And visitors this week, I've had 87, today 29. So today I've had 29 visitors and I haven't even done anything. All I've done is just logged into my account. Like I said, this builds all on its own. And you can see right here, for this month, these are system-wide stats. That's 2.6 million visitors that this site has received just this month, and it's only September 8th. So in 8 days, this site has received 2.6 million hits. And that's got to tell you something right there, guys. That's, this is definitely a system that you want to get started with and start using, because it will definitely benefit you. And like I said, when you're using this, it is a free system. But if you really want to jumpstart it and start using the advertising side of things, you definitely want to grab your Club IBO Extreme Marketing Leverage subscription. It's $19.95 a month. So yes, and this is a business expense, and every month you're going to be able to claim that on your taxes at the end of the year. So that's one of the cool things about this is, it's considered a membership option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. In the next video, you're going to learn more about the Club IBO membership and about press releases and some other functions in the site as well to help you, get the most amount of views as possible. This is a traffic getting system. And, like I said before, this is loaded with marketers. This whole entire thing is about marketers. And I'm going to show you how to set up an ad. And you can get started with advertising right away by earning credits and then converting them to impressions. And as you can see, I currently have 2 stars, as I said before, and I'm an IBO contributor. And as long as you have that in there, that shows that you're serious about what you're doing here. There's a lot of people on here that don't have the badge, and they don't want to spend money, and they just interact with people and build their credits up that way. But I have a budget that I can use for marketing, and $19.95 a month is really nothing. as far as that. So I want to make sure that I'm getting the most that I can get. If I could, I would buy several different subscriptions, but it doesn't work that way. So go ahead, get started. Click the link in step 1 to join IBO. This is a no commission system, but there is an affiliate program, and there's a bunch of other things that go along with this. The affiliate program is something that's completely different than this. You don't earn any money for people buying the subscription or buying credits or anything like that. But when people come to your page and they sign up underneath you, you earn 200 referral credits. But if you're a Club IBO member, you earn 400 credits. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to submit a support ticket to us at any time. Thanks.